Welcome to Bright Kids Math. Let's count, add, and have fun together. Ready? Let's go. What is 4 times 10? Well done. The answer is 40. What is 4 times 4? Super smart. The answer is 16. What is 4 times 2? Great job. The answer is 8. What is 3 times 1? You're amazing. The answer is 3. What is 4 times 9? Well done. The answer is 36. What is 4 times 4? Fantastic. The answer is 16. What is 3 times 11? You're so smart. The answer is 33. What is 9 times 4? Well done. The answer is 36. What is 8 times 4? Well done. The answer is 32. What is 1 times 11? Awesome. The answer is 11. What is 4 times 2? Super smart. The answer is 8. What is 6 times 4? You're amazing. The answer is 24. What is 4 times 11? Awesome. The answer is 44. What is 3 times 12? Great thinking. The answer is 36. What is 10 times 4? You're so smart. The answer is 40. What is 12 times 4? Excellent. The answer is 48. What is 4 times 3? Fantastic. The answer is 12. What is 4 times 4? Great job. The answer is 16. What is 4 times 7? Well done. The answer is 28. What is 9 times 0? You're so smart. The answer is 0. What is 5 times 4? Great thinking. The answer is 20. What is 4 times 10? Excellent. The answer is 40. What is 8 times 1? Great thinking. The answer is 8. What is 4 times 2? Great thinking. The answer is 8. What is 12 times 4? Super work. The answer is 48. What is 7 times 4? Great thinking. The answer is 28. What is 3 times 0? You're so smart. The answer is 0. What is 4 times 6? Fantastic. The answer is 24. What is 4 times 8? Excellent. The answer is 32. What is 2 times 9? You're amazing. The answer is 18. Amazing work today. Please like this video, subscribe to Bright Kids Math, and ring the bell for more fun math quizzes. See you next time.